Introducing the Forklift Stretch Wrap Holder, a simple, magnetically placed holder for your stretch wrap. Forklifts usually have a stretch wrap on board. Why not give it a home? The bracket can be attached anywhere on the forklift, or even a racking system. It's easy to use. Just slide the roll on the holder, or take it off when it's time to wrap. It even comes with two handy plastic hand holders, which make wrapping even easier. No more worrying about friction hurting your hands. Easy to use, easy on the hands, a safer way to carry stretch wrap.